Hey guys, it's Maria here. Today I'm reviewing this lash lifting kit, and it's for your eyelashes and eyebrows, and I'm going to try it on my eyebrows. I'm excited, and it will be my first time doing that, so be with me. And this kit includes also like this instruction how to do it for your eyelashes and for your eyebrows, and what's included in it, and also some tips and tricks how to do it. So it's very useful. And here is everything what's in the kit. So it was very well packaged, and we have here all brushes that we need for any kind of like eyelashes, eyebrows, and here is like some patches that you will use for your eyelashes, some tape, another stick that will help you, also some patches that you will use underneath your eyes if you are doing eyelashes, and all the solutions that you need. They're in order and they have numbers on it, so that's very easy to do. And let's do my eyebrows. First I need to use a cleaner to clean my eyebrows, to remove any makeup. Then I need to apply a perming lotion on the eyebrows. First we are applying the glue to the eyebrows. I will use the lash lifting glue. After step 1, perming, then I need to do a setting, number 2. That's very helpful that it has numbers. And I will use this brush. After I applied it with applicator, I will wait for 5 to 6 minutes. And the last step to add, the third step to add essence to my eyebrows, and that will be it. It's just like a tiny tip to not sleep for 24 hours first day on your eyelashes or eyebrows, whatever you do, and you should be good and it should look beautiful. Thank you guys, I hope it was helpful.